Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to solve our next Infosys coding question, which is asked in the hiring 2022. Okay, so I am Shubham Agrawal. I'm a software engineer by profession and a coding educator by passion. So let's go further. And if you have not followed our Instagram page yet, please go to our Instagram page, whether it is 2021 or whether it is 22-23 batch. We have different pages for that. And because we are posting lots of hiring over there, because nowadays Cisco, Amazon, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, PayPal, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, many companies are recruiting. So we are posting over there. And if you have not joined our Discord community over till now, please go and check it out. I'm not going to say to join, because if you will go and overlook that, then you will definitely join our Discord community, because if you got any doubts or any query if you have, you can post it out there, and our mentors, our Prepinsta squad will help you out. Okay, and if you want to join our WhatsApp group, you can also join. All the links of our social platforms you will get in the description of this video. Yeah, so before going further, let me show you how our Prepinsta Prime looks like. Okay, so yeah, if you go to our prepinstaprime.com, you will get this website. Okay, as of now I have logged in through my account, but once you will go inside it, you will get a called like purchase option over there. But before going into the purchase, you can go to see our demo videos. You can overlook all the videos. We have given a, I think, around 10 videos which are for demo, and you will see the quality of the videos, right? And if you want to if you have any queries regarding to this purchase and things, you can call us at any time. And yeah, so what we are giving in this platform, actually we have tied up with the TCS Ion. You will get the certification from TCS Ion as well. So you will get all the ample number of courses like AI, ML, cybersecurity, ethical hacking. You don't have to pay for any one course. You have to pay for whole website. Like Netflix, you pay for once and you access all the videos, web series and all. So here also you have to pay at once, and all the course will be accessible to you. Even if you are focusing for competitive programming or basic coding, data structures in C, C++, Python, Java, anything. Even if you want to learn for data structures for service-based or a product-based, everything we have. So if you are focusing for any course like CoCubes, MCAT, HackerRank, Metal, or if you are going for companies like ServiceBase, TCS, Cognizant, LTI, any company, and even if you are focusing on FANG type of companies like Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, Amazon, Cisco, Oracle, and we have lots of companies. So you can just check it out. Okay, so let's back to the question. Yeah, so the question says is, Andy wants to go on a vacation to de-stress himself. Therefore, he decides to take a trip to an Iceland. Okay, it is given that he has as many consecutive days as possible to rest, but he can only make one trip to the Iceland. Suppose that the days are numbered from 1 to n, and he has m obligations in his schedule, which he has already undertaken, and which correspond to some specific days. This means that ith obligation is scheduled for day di, and he is willing to cancel at most k of his obligations in order to take more holidays. Okay, so is willing to cancel at most k of his obligations. Your task is to find out the maximum days of vacation, and he can take by cancelling at most k of the obligations. Okay, so actually this video is going to be different. Like, I'm not going to explain you the code from this video, because in competitive programming type of questions, you should know how to code. I will tell you the approach, how we are going to take this approach in this question, but you have to code by yourself. But yeah, I will give you the code at the end of this video, but you have to explain by yourself. And okay, so let's go further. Yeah, so input format we have given like n, m, k, and after that the m subsequent lines we will give a number of days. Okay, so nmk, let me write it here. This is n, m, and k, and these are the 5 number of m's, means are days. Okay, so let me write the days like this: 6, 9, 3, 2, 7, and we have k equals to 2. So that means is we can delete k equals to 2 means a 2 number of days we can delete from this. So what we if we delete 6 and 9, suppose if I have deleted 6 and 9, so what are the minimum number of days the ND can visit for his vacation? See, only 1 day. But why only 1 day? Because from the second day he is getting some obligations, like maybe he is getting the calls from his office, or maybe his wife is calling, something like that. Okay, so what we can do is inside this all the days we have to find the minimum day obligation, right? So because he can handle at most 2 obligations, so if we give 3 and 2, suppose these are cancelled, or these obligations are cancelled, so what I can say, ND can go for the vacation for days 5, right? Total number of 5. Why? Because see, on the 6th day he is getting some obligation, maybe from office call or something like that. Okay, so my answer will be 5 in this case. Okay, so let's go further. Let's see the another sample input. So NMK. So NMK, suppose, and days are given 3 and 4. Okay, so K is given 0. So in this case he cannot delete any obligation. Okay, so if he cannot delete any obligation, so on the day 3rd he is getting some obligation. So what we can say is the vacation length is 3. He could not cancel. Even in the explanation they have written like here you could not cancel any obligation since k equals to 0, so the vacation length is 3. I hope you got the question. And the approach, it's like what you can do is, let me tell you about this approach also. See, NMK is given and these are the number of days, and not a number of days on which day we are getting obligation. So 6, 9, 3, 2, 7. What we can do is we can sort this days 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, and what we can do is we can left out the first k number of elements, or what we can say elements or days. Okay, so from this day what I can do is for the first day itself, because these are already sorted, right? So what I can do is this minus 1 means 6 minus 1 will be my answer, right? So let's go into my code and let me give you the overview what we can do doing in this code. I'm taking the input for N and K. After that I'm taking the m number of days. After that I'm just sorting, right? I already told you about this. Okay, after this what I'm doing is, if k is greater than m, if k is greater than m, I should return n itself, right? Because if there are more number of k is greater than m, so what I can do is, suppose what it's trying to say is, if k is greater than m, what it means is I can delete more number of days, right? Even more number of days from the obligation. So if it is, then I can go for vacation for n number of days, right? So my answer will be n in this case. If it is less than, what I will do is answer will be v of en minus 1. En is nothing but my k, so v of k minus 1 will be my answer, right? So after this what I'm doing is I'm taking from k plus 1 till m, means all the other suppose in this case I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here till here I'm traversing and I'm taking the maximum value what we can get, right? So even we will get the answer from here, but in some cases it will be like 5, 5, 5 or something like that even. Okay, so in that case we are taking this for loop, and I hope you are getting this code. So if you have any doubts, you can comment out in the video, or you can join our Discord community. We'll figure it out. Thank you.